Hey there. Well, we're really new at this, and we decided to make a vlog. We have me, Barbara, and we have Tamara, the ginger, and we have Jessica, the blonde. We just.
We have a blonde, a brunette, and a redhead.
Yes, we have all and a baby ginger. Well, we're not always gonna be in these videos together, so it's gonna be really separate because we're not always together. Me and her usually are though. But I'm sorry if this first one is boring, but we're swimming right now.
I don't think this is gonna work very well. From
And she's gonna jump on a ball.
I don't want to hit my head.
You won't.
All you got. Okay, look. I've done this before. You put the ball right there.
She's experienced, Tamara.
Yes, I'm experienced. You will not hit the wall at all. I will tell you exactly what you got to do. Sorry, y'all. Came back. Oh, here goes the drum off.
Hey, there you go.
So, put the ball right there.
Good. Go ahead. I jump on it.
It's just barely hanging there. Hold on, I have to.
Well, she chickened out. So, Tamara, would you like to hold the phone for me?
I will. Yes. Jesse can do it. My hands are wet, and I'm trying to tie my.
You want to see something so cool? You know those heart things for cancer?
Yeah.
She has one on her back. That is so cool.
What is that?
Oh,
You'll see on the video.
yeah, you'll see it on the video. Papa. Big ball.
You can jump off. Papa, jump off.
This is our papa, by the way.
3D. And then we'll do. Oh, this is gonna be cold. I haven't been in the water yet.
It's only 2 degrees.
Oh, I didn't get that.
What?
I think I did. I don't know.
She don't know. Oh, I'll be so mad. Hold on, let me get it.
I don't think I got it.
Ball float away.
Oh, yes.
I just take it back. I don't got it.
What happened to the other ball? Oh, I missed.
The dummy threw it down the hill.
Hold on. My butt touched. Keep the ball there. I'm gonna redo it. I'm the ball camera. Don't sounds really bad. Can't move, camera. I'm working on it. Hold on. Let me out. Attack! Attack the ball! Feed the ball! Come here. Okay, are we rolling? Are we rolling? One. That was it. One what? You were like, one? Ah! I'm like, there's no one, just jump. Doggy paddle to the edge. Okay, you can cut it off. As we think of stuff, actually keep it. As we think of stuff, we'll just edit it afterwards and add.
I'm not going to get mad at me again.
What? Yeah, well, that's Jesse's. If you jump on it and pop it, Jesse might
that.
do it. The slide, it's going to fall out from under you.
No, it won't, because I just did it. I did it yesterday.
I don't know, she might not. I'm going to do it. If I get in trouble, I will.